everyone. So today I am going to show you about mail merge. Okay, so for this first I have written one letter. Okay, this letter is basically based on wedding letter. Okay, means wedding invitation letter. So I want to send this letter to the 5 people. Okay, so same letter I am going to send it by email to 5 people. Okay, so for this I want to give one mail merge. Okay, I want to take mail merge features for this. Okay, so for this first we have to go to mailing. Okay, so after this we have to go start mail merge, and then we have to click on step by step mail merge wizard. Okay, so see in the right hand side there is options. Okay, 5 options are there. What type of document are you working on? Letters, email messages, envelopes, labels and directory. So I am clicking on first one, letters. Okay, then see in the last line step 1 of 6, next starting document. Okay, I have to click on this starting document. So next, see one thing, how do you want to step up your letters? Use the current document, start from a template, start from an existing document. Okay, so I am using the current document. You also use the start from the existing document if you have already exist one document, but now I am using first one, use the current document. Okay, and again I have to click on this one, select recipients. Okay, so I have to click on this one. So here 3 options are again shows. One is use an existing list, select from Outlook contacts, and third one is type a new list. Okay, so now I don't have any existing list. Okay, so I have to click on third one, type a new list. So I have to click on this one, and then see one option is there, create, type a new list. Under the heading type a new list, one option is there, create. So I have to click on the create recipient list. So after create the recipient list, one message means one box has created. So new address list. Okay, so here the field name are there, title, field name is same as column name. Okay, in a table field name is called as column name. So the field names are title, first name, last name, company name. So the fields which I have no need now, so I want to delete that particular field. So for this we have to click on customize column. Okay, I have to click on customize column. So here the list of the field names, title, then first name, then last name, then company name, all the field names are there. So for example I don't want the first one, title. Okay, so I have to delete this one. Okay, then yes, so see the first one has deleted. Next I don't want this one, company name, because I want to send the letter to the particular person. Okay, I want just first name, last name, then address one, then city, then state, then zip code, this thing, but company name I don't need now. So just delete this one, company name, then yes. Then I don't want this one, work phone, then delete, yes. Then only one address line I want, then delete, then yes. Then email address I don't email address I want, because I have to send the email to the particular person. Okay, so these are the field name. Okay, then I just want to give okay here. So I have to now type the name. So say my first name is Rakesh. If you have your already existing list, then you just accept that list. Okay, from the particular folder or file. Then say my last name is, then address, say this is address of Delhi, address line, anything. Okay, address is different. Say I am giving the address something A X Y Z. Next one, for the next line I have to give new entry. Okay, say my new entry is Rimi Sen. Address line say ABC, then that one is a Kolkata, then third one is I just want to again new entry, then for example say Seema Rai, again I am giving some XYZ, then city say Guwahati. Okay, next one see new entry. So something I'm giving and then giving Chennai. Okay, so I have created 4 lists here and then okay. So my 4 list has created, so I have to give the file name. So my file name say database data. Okay, my file name is data and I am saving this one in my drive. Okay, so okay, I have saved my data. Okay, see this is my existing my new database which I am creating. Okay, and see this one is first one, my last name is first, say Das Rakesh XYZ Delhi. These are the 4 list I have created now. Okay, so I have to click on OK. Okay, so next one is I have to click on this one in the lower question, write your letter. Okay, so I have already written my letter, so I have to click my, see here my 2 option is there where I have to give the particular recipient name. Okay, so I have to give on clicking here and then my subject is there and this is my body part. Okay, so here no name is there because I have to send the same letter to the 4 people or 5 people. So the body is same but the recipient name is different. Okay, so I have to click on this one 2, then my cursor will be here and then I have to click on there. See 4 option is there, address book, greeting line, electronic postage and then more item. I have to click on more item. So after more item, these are the fields. What are the fields I want to enter? So first one is first name, I have to insert this one. Okay, and then I have to give one space. I have to give one space here and then again last name I want to enter. Okay, then here also I have to give some space and then enter. Then I have to enter the address line, insert, and next one is I want to insert this one, city. Okay, same here, dear, I want to enter first name and last name. First name, insert, space, and then I have to enter last name, insert, then close. Okay, now see here the option preview your letter. See in the lower part, step 4 of 6, next preview your letter. I have to preview my letter. See These are the name I have already created. Rakesh Das, XYZ, Delhi. Then dear Rakesh Das. This has already shown here. Okay. See here, recipient 1. This is my recipient 1. If I click on this one, this is my recipient 2. Then see recipient 3. Then see recipient 4. I have created 4 lists. So 4 recipients are created here. Okay. See here. Okay. So after satisfactory all the item, then I have to click on this one, complete the merge. Okay. So complete my merge is there. So after that, 2 option is there. One is print, another one is edit individual letter. So I want to print the letter, every letter. So print, then all, print all record or current record, print all. I want to print all the record. Then I have to click on OK. Then after that, click in the OK button. All the letters with name and this means address will be printed. Okay. So this is all about mail merge. Again, see one thing, finish and merge. After clicking on this, see print document is there. Print document is there, and then I have already printed document. So I want to send the messages. So I have to click on this one, send email messages, and then two, and then some options are there. I want to address the email address. Then subject line is invitation letter. And then format is HTML. Then send record, all the record, and then OK. See, here some changes is there. All the record has means merged, and it has means go to some particular email address from my mail. Okay, this is all about mail merge. Okay everyone, if you like my video, then please like. Thank you.